This video will talk about how do we create divisions and classes and how does it affect the structure of our code. So I want to show you first of all this example. This is an example of two very distinct boxes within a piece of code. So how do we create this particular two boxes? If we go to our code, it looks like this. If I can make it bigger, I can't. I've titled this two boxes, but what we have within the style is something called a class. We talked about this last week. It's a period with a name. I could have called this anything. And here's where I define what this division is going to look like. And for division 1, I say it's going to be a dashed border, and it's going to have the background color of this light pink, light blue, and it's going to be black in color. For division 2, I'm going to have a white background color. The border is going to be black, but it's going to be ridged. Okay, so these are just two divisions. Both are classes, meaning that they could be used multiple times within code. And what we do is in the body, we call these classes. So how do we do that? So we're creating a new division here, and we create a division, and we want to use the style that we created in division 1. So we say, here is division, and we say class division 1, and this is the first box, and we close it. So we've closed this box. Now here's division 2, and we're going to use this style, and we've created a brand new division here. So this is going to be the second box, and it'll be in a separate location, one right after another. Then we close this division, we close our body, we close our HTML. In doing that, what do we get? We get two boxes. Here it is, two boxes. The first box and then the second box. But let's say we really want to put this box in this box. How would we do that? Well, the answer is quite simple. What we would do is we would change how we structure this particular part within our body. So if I've already done this, so I'm just going to bring it up. So we have the exact same division 1, division 2, everything is the same. But take note here, we get to our body and we have division class ID 1. This is the first box. And then within that division, we start the second division, division class 2. This is the second box. And we have to close each division, 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 division. So this class equals division 1. That's what is determining the style, all right? And it's very similar to how we do image source, where we have to put the image source within that particular tag. We do that within our division with the class. Okay, if I was to create a third box, let's say I want to create another box yet, I could do many things. I could just say, okay, I'm going to take division class 2, copy, I could paste it. So now I have to add another division class, close. So if we were to make it really simple, like that. There. So you can see how this is nested. So just by doing this, I should have 3. So let's check. I'm doing this live. I'm going to save as box 3. I'm going to go to my desktop though. Box 3.html and save. And I should be able to call it up. I go over here, let's go here, Control O, I go to my desktop, here's box 3, And here you see a box within a box. All right, so if I had, so you see this box is not fully within this box. What I would have had to have done is make this box bigger to be able to, or this box smaller. So for example, if I was to go back in and say, oh, I really wanted it to be smaller, I go to my box 3. I really can't use that one. I would probably have to do a division 3, so I can just do that. I can copy. I can Control V, paste. I'll call this division 3. And I'll make this one much smaller. So I'll make the width, I'll make it 50. I'll make the height 50. Okay, so I have to go back in here, and I'm going to make this division 3 now. Okay, everybody see what I did? I'm going to save it. File, save. Now I'm going to go back to my browser. I'm going to refresh it and see here it's within the box. So if I wanted to center it, do other things, I would change my padding, my margins, and things like that. But the purpose of this exercise is to show that within the division, you have to create your subsections here. So this is an example of how you would do that. Enjoy your coding.